It's really interesting here, Michael. Again, we did see that big, scary headline number, maybe better than feared on some of the sell side. But how are you unpacking this report?
Yeah, to your point, results weren't great, but it was expected, right? Lamb Weston results and their guidance over the last few months has been pretty dismal. We know obviously McDonald's sells a lot of French fries. Industry level data, we use Bloomberg Intelligence, they're a great partner of ours, have shown weak results throughout the second quarter. Really didn't get a boost in restaurant spending that a lot of analysts and management teams really expected. And results have weakened into July. So, them saying that their results are still negative but in line with June, maybe even can be looked at as a small win here.
How much can the $5 value meal help them at the end of the day? Michael, I don't want to draw a stark comparison here, but you thought about what Red Lobster did to try to trade down in a massive way. Well, how far can you go is what I'm really asking here.
Well, they seemed optimistic, right? They said it's boosting traffic, but not sales yet. So I guess they're getting some sort of a mix shift. Some people that maybe will go to McDonald's and wouldn't order the $5 meal are being, enticed by that such a low price point with a pretty significant amount of food. So, they were positive because they say traffic usually comes before sales. But management admitted on the call that they're going to need to do a bigger revamp in the United States to really move the needle. That the 1, 2, 3 value meal isn't resonating with consumers. They've gotten a lot of shade online about the fact that you can't get an item for $1 or less on that menu, and so the real focus is going to be reworking that 1, 2, 3 value menu to have those low-income consumers that are struggling right now come back to the stores.
I could see myself going for a Bacon Cajun McCrispy and a Grandma McFlurry, Michael, because I make bad life decisions and I am weak. I have low willpower. But if I were able to get hold of some Ozempic or whatever the hottest flavor of that is, I'd be able to avoid that stuff. Do you see any of that coming through in the results?
Yeah, it's hard to parse that out. I think the impact from that is pretty minimal at this point. Over time, it could be more of an impact. What we're looking at is, maybe at some point when Ozempic can be acquired in pill form, we think there'll be some wider adoption, right? But, to your point, two places that people are looking at are definitely fast food and fatty food consumption, as well as alcohol consumption. But we're still kind of in a wait and see period right now.